In this video, I'll show you how to make a schedule for yourself in Notion. So what you need to do, open up your Notion. So I'm going to be using the template for this. So tap on browse templates. So you need to go to work, I think, yeah. So wait for it to open up. So you can be able to see different schedules for work here. Okay, let me say I'm going to use this life, yeah. So you can be able to see simple things you can be able to do. So let me say I want to do simple weekly to-do list. So I'm going to tap on it. So you can be able to tap on this use template. So once you tap on the use templates, you can be able to come on here and make a schedule for yourself. So each weekly plan from Monday till Saturday till Sunday has a to-do list. So if I tap on it, you can be able to come on here and add it up. Let me say go to church. So you can see pray, run. Like you can see a whole lot of it here. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe.